let's begin the broadcast with breaking inputs coming in from the top court. Remember, the Supreme Court is hearing Teesta Setalvad's bail application. The CJI has in fact questioned the cops on the interrogation. The court wants to know what is the information that the cops were able to get during the interrogation. Remember, yesterday the Supreme Court in fact had also expressed concerns over petitioners' bail application hearing having been adjourned by 6 weeks. Let's go across. Neelashish is joining us with more details. The court now wants to know the information that was gathered during the interrogation.
Well, yes, absolutely. It has been said by the Solicitor General that he had in fact been that Teesta Setalvad was in fact questioned for 7 days, but she did not cooperate in fact with the investigation. Says that he would not have divulged anything, and I wish to say that she has not cooperated. The Chief Justice, of course, had asked, what have you found out from the custodial interrogation? But what the Solicitor General says,
Neelashish, go ahead if you can hear me.
she tried to solicit
Okay, Neelashish, stay on with us. We'll come back to you. Now, let's take our viewers through the developments that you are reporting. The Chief Justice of India said we have a few questions. What have you found from custodial interrogation? The SG says Teesta Setalvad is an intelligent person, would not have divulged anything. I wish to say that she did not cooperate. Now, upon hearing that particular response, the Chief Justice of India further questioned how many days was she interrogated. As per you, when she tried to solicit affidavits, documents, etc. must have happened when. So the timeline is what the CJI is asking for, the time period. Those are the questions that have been posed by the Chief Justice of India to the cops, to the Solicitor General representing in fact Gujarat. Let's go back to Neelashish, who continues to be with us. Neelashish, yesterday the court had expressed concerns, like I said. Today the court wants to know a timeline, the period when these questions were posed to Teesta Setalvad, when was she interrogated, and other procedures that were followed.
Well, absolutely. The 164 statement also has come under the scanner because the Solicitor General has in fact referred to it and has handed it over to court. Now, the Chief Justice, of course, is asking about the timeline, as you rightly pointed out, and about what has been divulged. The Solicitor General, of course, saying that as of now she has not cooperated. In fact, now Kapil Sibal, in fact, arguing on behalf of Teesta Setalvad, says that I don't think we should get into it, but it has been made an issue out of, and he's referring to certain orders passed by the judges. Now also, what the Solicitor General says is that this is a maligning campaign, and the campaign to malign must stop, is what he is saying. So he is saying that Teesta Setalvad has been maligning the administration for a while now, and that is something that needs to stop. Kapil Sibal, of course, is also arguing and saying that there have been 124 life imprisonments, but there is nothing that is happening. Of course, these are arguments with regard to certain previous orders of the Supreme Court. Kapil Sibal is trying to explain the allegations, the charges of criminal conspiracy, forgery, and other such allegations that are against Teesta Setalvad, and also placing false evidence in court to frame innocent persons by tutoring and influencing witnesses are false, is what he says. So he's denying the allegations against Teesta Setalvad. Firstly, he's apprising the court of the allegations against her, and then saying that these allegations hold no water. Therefore, the bail application, of course, must be allowed, is what Kapil Sibal is saying at this point. But the Solicitor General clearly saying that one, she is not cooperating, and two, she has been maligning the state administration for a while.
Right, absolutely. In fact, Kapil Sibal, they're also telling the court that they have received bail in all the other matters. Kapil Sibal, in fact, is responding to what has been said about Teesta Setalvad. He says, how can she be a powerful person? Who is more powerful than the state? She's a 60-year-old lady. Neelashish.
Well, yes, absolutely. Kapil Sibal is showing certain affidavits and saying that there is no allegation that I have tampered with any witness statement statement whatsoever. Now that is because this is a bail application. The concerns before the court will be that of tampering with evidence, influencing witnesses, and those are the grounds on which we'll expect the actual merits of this bail application